Hello, good people. This is Sherry, and today I'm working with leather and paint and my stencils. So I'm gonna cut a paper stencil on my Glowforge Aura, and I'm gonna use it to stencil on some leather that I have. And this is leather that I get in a bag of remnants from Hobby Lobby. So they're just little pieces of leather. So the first thing I'm going to do is use my glue stick on my leather. I want it to hold my stencil secure. This is just a paper stencil. You can get one, maybe two uses out of it. Normally it tears after the first one. So it's just something quick that I can use. All right, once I have my stencil secured, I'm going to get my paint and just dab it on my stencil. My paint is dry now, so I'm going to lift my stencil and hope that I got a good print. And this print looks pretty good. It could have been a little bit better, but it's pretty good. I'm happy with it. Now I have this stencil available in my on my website. It comes within a set of 3, and if you're interested, there'll be a link in the description if you want to pick these up. All right, I'm gonna make some wire beads for my design. So here's the process of just making some wire bead. This is 18 gauge wire, and it's really soft aluminum wire, so it's easy to wrap. Now that my everything is dry, I'm going to put some sealer, this polyacrylic sealer, on my leather. For my design, I'm using one of my shape templates. I have a 10-piece shape, acrylic shape template set, and this is one of the shapes. So I'm just going to trace the shape and then cut it. And I am away from home right now, and I was looking for my really good leather scissors, and I could not find them. So I'm having to use a pair of Dollar Tree scissors to cut my leather. I need to put some holes in my leather, and I'm using a leather punch. They have several different holes that you can use, so I'm using this to make my holes in my leather so that I could do the next part of my design. On my wire bead, I left a tail on each end, and I'm going to use this tail to make loops so that I could add my leather to one end and then my ear hook to the other end. So this is the first design. I had some leather left, so I went ahead and cut it to just make another pair of smaller earrings. That way I don't waste my design. So this is what we have. A nice black leather with gold design, and one has a wire bead and the other has a wood bead. If you're new here, I would love it if you would subscribe. I am Sherry. I'm the owner and designer for Sherikao Originals Handcrafted Gifts, where we help you create jewelry for those who are deliberately different. Please give me a hype, a like, a share, all of the good things. Thank you so much, and I so appreciate your time and the time that you spend watching my videos and making comments. It really helps the channel, and I so appreciate you. This is Sherry saying, as always, be blessed.